That's good leather right there, man. That's great leather. That's great leather. They passed the smell test too. What is going on, everyone? ggkickzz here. Welcome back to the YouTube channel. Hope everybody's having a super blessed day. If you guys are new here, I want you guys to press that like button, that subscribe button, and turn on that notification bell. It all helps out. Today we're going to be reviewing the Air Jordan 4 Oreo. One thing unfortunate about the sneaker game is, man, that once your favorite shoe model silhouette goes hype, is hard to get your hands on them, man. I've been trying to get my hands on the University Blue 4s. I'm a huge 4 lover. I have a couple of them. You guys already see the Oreo, the cement print, whatever you want to call it, all around the box with the speckles. White top, red Jumpman, flight, size 8. Like I said, hard to get my size. Underneath the paper is this nice, super clean shoe right here, all white, so you already know it's gonna get dirty quick. You want to make sure you protect these, man, with some sole protectors. Whatever you guys want to buy, whatever floats your boat, that's what you buy. Comes even in double papers, because that's how white on white it is. So right here is the cleanest Air Jordan 4 to come out in a while, ever since the Pure Money 4s. I still have those as well. They're really cooked. If I compare those to these, they kind of look like they're from the 1980s. But right off the bat, you guys already see it's a very simple, clean colorway. Very clean, very sought after. The Air Jordan 4 silhouette, like I said, is getting more hype. So a lot more people are buying them. The prices are going up. So if you have some OGs, you got some bread 4s, you might want to keep them in good condition and hold them for a while. We're going to start off with the outsole, regular Air Jordan 4 outsole, same pattern. You have your gray on the top here, red Jumpman in the center, midsole, classic Air Jordan 4 midsole, classic air bubble right there. Inside of that is gray. You have your Oreo print going all around the midsole, around the back into the medial side of the shoe. You also see that print on these lace holders right here, on these two little brackets. And you have white laces, no other laces come included. Usually with 4s you don't really get them. The tongue, I'm surprised the quality on the tongue is that crispy. I haven't seen a 4 with the tongue this crispy. Red Jumpman as well, doesn't look too chubby. He is chilling right there, my man. But yeah, like I said, on the Air Jordan 4, the quality of the Fire Red 4s were horrible. This right here is just, it feels so nice. The leather, you could just see it. Like, that's good leather right there, man. That's great leather. That's great leather. They passed the smell test too. What more can I say? This shoe is just very clean. Air Jordan written on the back of the tongue. You guys already know what an Air Jordan 4 looks like. Great Jumpman on the back as well, nothing under here. Love that this is leather. The plastic ones really hurt to some people. If you wear long socks, you avoid that problem. But yeah, right here, this actually feels a little bit different too. Feels like more plasticky as well. You guys let me know what you guys think of this Air Jordan 4 Oreo. Is this the cleanest Air Jordan 4 all year? Are you guys taking the UNCs over this? You guys let me know in the comment section down below. I'm going to be giving this shoe a 10 out of 10, man. I am an Air Jordan 4 lover, so if you expected another rating, you can walk. Air Jordan 4 is just classic, man. It goes with everything. Long pants, short pants, very comfortable shoe for me. Yeah, it's up there. It's my top 1 favorite shoe. Nothing wrong I can say about it. Just that this netting is definitely gonna get yellow ASAP, so just take care of your shoes. And if you guys enjoyed this video and made it this far, I want to thank you guys so much for watching. And if you haven't already, please press that like button, that subscribe button, and turn on that notification bell. You know the vibe. See you guys on the next video. ggkickzz out.